think I should paint this Tung Tung Sahur with a chocolate color. All right, done. I finished it.
Oh wow, sister, I turned into Tung Tung Sahar. Thank you so much.
Can you make me a tea girl, please?
And make me a shark wearing shoes.
Please make me a big monster too.
Can you make me a tea girl, please?
Alright, I'll make you a beautiful tea girl. It's almost done.
Oh, wow, sister. I really became a tea girl.
Now it's my turn, make me a powerful shark.
Making a shark is a little hard, but I'll do it for you. There we go.
Oh, thank you, sister. Now I'm a strong shark.
Wait, my child, a miracle is closer than you think, so be patient. Hit like, subscribe, and comment Amen now to instantly receive it.
Please make me a big monster too.
Okay, give me that.
Oh thanks. I've been waiting to become a monster.
Finally, the monster is ready. Wait, why didn't the magic work?